There are a few reasons why the pilot on your gas water heater will go out, but Dan's going to show you how to relight it if this happens to you. Before Dan gets started, please read the disclaimer in the video notes below.
Hi, and welcome back to our do-it-yourself video series. My name is Dan with At Your Service Plumbing, and today we're going to discuss lighting your gas water heater. Now, first off, how do you know what kind of water heater you have? And this right here is your vent for your gas water heater. This is for the spent exhaust gases that are created in the heating process. So this is the control valve to relight your water heater. Step number one would be to turn this to the pilot position, which will free this red button, which when you depress it, allows gas to enter into the combustion chamber. Then you will depress this, which is like a barbecue igniter, a few times to get the spark and light. You will continue to hold the red button for a short time just to make sure that the electrical impulse is sent up to the device. Let off, come down into here, and then you can look inside this window to make sure that the pilot stays lit. Then you can turn it back into the on position, and there you have it. So if you find that you're having a hard time keeping that flame lit, it may be an indicator that there's something else deeper going on here. So if you do have that, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We answer the phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At Your Service Plumbing, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.